So we start off today's video with someone who has ginger shoulder length strands. Oh, wow. This is the most amazing pixie. I love the fullness that this has, the bangs, the shape overall. What a transformation. And I really love the hair color. So beautiful. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be checking out some amazing haircut ideas and hair transformations. Beautiful red pixie haircut with the bangs. Another gorgeous hairstyle. And then we have someone with mid-length strands. And it looks like she's going to be getting this beautiful mini bob style. Beautiful, I love her makeup as well. Such a gorgeous haircut. And then we see someone with pretty long mid-back length hair. Stylist is going quite short with this one. Oh, she ended up getting a pixie. Very nice swoop bangs in the front, curly texture in the back. Absolutely stunning. So then we move on to someone who has a bit of an in-between pixie haircut style. Looks like she's going to be getting a perm with some rollers, adding some texture to the hair. Oh wow, beautiful curly asymmetrical cuts. Very pretty. And then we have another pixie haircut here. Beautiful ash blonde color with bangs in the front. And then we see this faded pixie cut, nice design going there on the side. Beautiful red lip and makeup to tie the look all together. She looks amazing with this haircut, so pretty. And then we see someone rocking a modern mullet style. Now this one is short and sweet, and we're seeing many variations of the mullet. And then we have another pixie. This one is a longer pixie style with an undercut. Nice little design work in the back. I really like the platinum color as well. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of these haircut options and ideas, please be sure to like today's video, give it a big thumbs up, show it some love, and of course hit that subscribe button so that you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Also, let us know in the comments below, would you be willing to rock any of these styles out, or are you thinking about trying any of them? Here we have a beautiful copper colored bob haircut transformation. This color looks absolutely stunning on her. Love how she did her makeup as well. She really just made the colors of the hair pop even more. And then we have a long to short transformation. So she starts off with hair just below the shoulder blade. And she consults the stylist, letting her know that she wants to do something different with her hair. And bam, she ended up getting this beautiful bob, side swept bangs, gorgeous ombre coloring, beautiful transformation. So next up, we see someone with natural hair. The stylist cuts the hair. Looks like she's going to be getting a pixie cut. And bam, beautiful pixie style. She did end up getting more of like the 90s mushroom classic. Her hair looks so thick and full. Beautiful transformation. And then we have someone rocking out a wolf cut with bangs, beautiful undercolor green shade peeking through. Such a fun hairstyle. And then we have another pixie hair transformation. I love the amount of fullness and thickness that this pixie has as well. Absolutely gorgeous. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed all of the hairstyles that were featured in today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.